Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick look here at Myro, see what's going on. We're going to talk about this descending trend having been broken the last 24 hours. That's a really good sign. We're ascending positively here with some nice higher highs and higher lows. We can break through this resistance at about 7.6? 7.7, that's going to be a very good sign. So we're going to talk about that and much more. If you are new to the channel though, welcome aboard. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you can learn something here today. Please like and subscribe if you can. Definitely helps grow the channel and obviously gets you up to date on the new stuff here as well. But I do have a trading academy, community, and signals group if you're curious on how to become a better trader. CryptoCash.tech is a site for that. Quick little heads up, in our Discord and Telegram, of course, we took some profits here from Adam, good 47% in 6 days. And 20% in 3 days from Crowcoin. So the nice swing trades there, considering a few more here now that Bitcoin's broken through that 53K resistance level. Hasn't looked back yet. Hoping to get a little pullback so we can take a nice leg up for the next wave in our Elliott Wave. So talking about Myro here, what are we doing here? Well, again, daily time frame, when we look at this, we can see we're still below some key levels, right? And the important thing to recognize is that we do got a resistance on the 20-day SMA at about 7.5. I'm rounding up a little bit. And of course, a more recent resistance, previous support at 7.8. So that Fibonacci retracement level here is something we want to pay attention to and ensure we understand specifically that until we break above this 0.618 fib level, we're probably going to be in a situation where the price action is still going to hold itself down. Okay, again, that's not a bearish sign. It just implies it's not bullish completely. Same thing here as well. We're under 50 in the RSI. I've talked about this before. Even though the MFI is extremely high, low RSI does kind of imply the price is going to stay where it's at until we break through that resistance. Same thing with stochastic RSI that is swinging up. That's a positive sign. And we can see a MACD convergence here with a previous MACD-FU. So generally speaking, we're looking overall positive here, but by no means is this a fantastic situation, okay? So please recognize that. We're also below 3 out of 4 moving averages. And that's not a good sign either. Again, all the more reason why being above this 7.8 mark is extremely important. We can also recognize too that with the RSI breaking above over 50, that's a positive sign. Should imply the price would continue, but we got to wait and be patient, okay? Again, I know people get really impatient about waiting. They'll jump in half the time without confirmation and get really frustrated. I get that. That's why I got a lot of members over in our group here as well, because they can't exercise patience. So please pump the brakes. It's okay to wait and to find a better entry, because while it could be a lower entry now, it's not a confirmed entry. I'd much rather enter later when I know it's going the way I want than now when it's a 50-50 shot. Don't flip a coin when you're trading. It's not worth it. I mean, you can flip coins all you want, but it's not going to help you, right? 50-50 shot. Conversions on the stochastic RSI, and of course the MACD convergence here too. So these are positive signs as well. Me personally though, I just like to wait. When you see these kind of patterns forming, wait for the price to break out and retrace back to that level before you take entry. It's generally a best practice. But again, 4-hour time frame just depends on who you are, of course, what kind of trader you are. If you're trying to day trade, none of this even matters because it's not a micro analysis. We got to look at larger time frames because again, swing trading is a different story altogether. And that's more so my focus. I do day trade as well. We have a day trading bot too that took some massive profits here today. Keep in mind, Litecoin, BNB, Cardano, Link, ETH, Solana, XRP, Solana. The list kind of goes on, folks. So again, really great day for us here. Took some nice profits to the upside, but generally speaking, Myro isn't one of those coins because we don't have any confirmation yet, okay? Just remember that. Taking a quick look at Ichimoku Cloud. This is a slightly confirming factor. Lagging span is free and clear of the price action. Conversion lines above the baseline, and we got roughly 3 or 4 hours above the cloud. So the truth is, this is a good confirming factor. Okay, the key takeaway here is that if you're going to take a long position now, that is slightly valid, but you may want to consider taking profits before it hits this rejection level at 7.7, 7.8. Okay, now it may not be a significant margin. It's maybe about 6-7%, depending on the leverage. Obviously, it could be more, but I would recommend low leverage, low position sizing because we don't have confirmation just yet. But this is a good confirming factor on the hourly, and we do look to that, and we combine that with the extra volume flowing into this coin. Stronger chance the price will sustain itself here and move forward. We can also recognize too that in the last, this is what since these last 3 days of trading roughly, we got a decent amount of volume accumulated at 7.1. So we can presume that will be the new support level for us, okay? So again, positive contributing factors, just not a massively, monstrously beneficial macro, okay? The smaller time frame does look pretty decent though. Okay, so take that how you will. Also, I've requested that Myro be added to this exchange, link down below for these guys. Phenomenal exchange. Our community uses them and exclusively loves them because they have no KYC or VPN requirements in the US, Canada, and also some nice rewards if you use my link to register. Also, you'll be eligible for future trading competitions if you use my link, and we're going to have those soon. Our first one will be $10,000 prize pool monthly, split among 300 to 400 traders. It's going to be really cool. Check that out in your own time. I'll have information on that here soon. We're organizing that as we speak. Just waiting for them to add an extra 200 trading pairs to the exchange first. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.